let's make some ghosty meringues for Halloween. Boom! Ingredients are 2 eggs, 120 grams of sugar, and optional, some chocolate to make the eyes and nose and mouth. For meringues, you have got to split the yolk, yellow part, and the white part separate. And we only want the white part. This is how we do it. You might need a grown-up helper because no yolk can go in. Let's split the egg and toss it between the eggs. And I will chuck the yolk into my bowl, the yellow part. And let's do it to my second egg. So you can see, I'm just tossing it and chucking the yolk into my bowl. So I've got the white and I've got the yolk. We don't need the yellow part. And let's whisk this up until stiff peaks. Just grab my whisk. This might be tricky as it uses a lot of arms. So a grown-up helper might like to use their muscles, or you can use boo, your muscles to do this with. Let's still whisk this up. I think I've whisked my meringues up enough. Tip it over my head. Let's go. Oh, that didn't go over my head or anywhere. Second time lucky. Let's do this again. Splitting my eggs. Let's see if we can make this more stiff peaks. Oh. That would be fine, a little bit of yolk maybe. Let's whisk this up. Second time round, I'm going to tip it over my head and see if it's soft peaks. No, and it's gone all over my hair. Oh no, boom! And then mainly gone over the table. Let's do it a third time and see if third time is the charm. Boom! Got meringue all over my hair, yuck. Let's see if third time is a charm. Remember, I need my grown-up helper to help me whisk this up really, really well. And that was probably where I went wrong. Oh, eggshell in here. Don't want that. Pick it out. Dun dun. Whisk this up carefully and for a very long time. Then we can add the sugar. I'm going to see if third time is the charm. Let's tip it over my head. Don't want it to go all over my hair. Yay! Woo! Boo! Woo! Not going over my hair. Add the sugar little by little, whisking this up. You might need your grown-up helper to help you with this, as this is quite heavy. Boo! I'm going to spoon my meringue mixture into my piping bag here, and I've just got a glass so then I don't get it everywhere. Let's put the oven on low. So we need it on 100 degrees C, no more. And we will cook the meringues for 30 minutes. 10, 20, 30, 30 minutes. Let's get our meringues piped. Twist the end of the piping bag remember we need to cut the end of the nozzle, small end. I'm going to show you how to make two types of ghosts. Let's make the pointy, stiff ones, just squeezing the bag and then you point up like that. Make another one. You point, squeeze, and then you lift up. I'm going to make a ghost this way. And there's its head. I'm not very good at making ghosts, so I like the pointy ones best. Let's make other ghost. Make sure you join the head and the body together really well. Making the head big and then the body bigger and then getting smaller to look like a ghost. Let's make some more flat ghost meringues. What do we do in the 30 minutes? I've got an idea. Let's tell a joke. What do panda ghosts eat? Bamboo. What do ghosts wash their hair with? Shampoo. I got my meringues out of the oven, melted some chocolate and put it into a piping bag. Let's put some eyes on and a nose. Or eyes and a mouth. You can make them however you like. You could put some dots on, or you just put eyes and a mouth. You could call them ghost meringues. Boo! I have found an avocado. It's lovely and green. Let's see what I make with this for my next video. Ooh, green!